how can we connect three resistors of 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm? So let me read the question again. How can the three resistors of resistance, right, 2, 3 and 6 be connected to give a total resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm? See, the question is you can connect it anyhow. The final answer has to be 4 ohm and 1 ohm. So how do you do it? Again, it's a very nice question, right? Again, see, once you see an answer, it's like you're done with it. The magic of that question goes away. What you learn from this question goes away. See, the point of all of this is that you learn a concept, not to just get the marks. Again, please don't go behind that feel good factor. Out of 100, I got 90. It doesn't matter. If I give you a tricky question and if you're not able to figure out, all that marks doesn't matter. So please pause, think over how do you get this? What are the ways that you can connect? Think about it and then unpause. Okay, so if I connect them all in series, so what we have is 2 ohm, 3 ohm, and 6 ohm. So we know that in series it will be higher than the highest, but I don't want higher than the highest. Then if I connect them in parallel, it will be lower than the lowest. So it will be lower than 2 ohm. We kind of want it. So let's check out if we can connect in parallel. So actually we're jumping on to the question number B, right? Again, trial and error. I don't know if the answer is right when I am trying with you guys. So if 2 ohm, okay, let us try it. Let us try on a rough place first, then we'll think about writing the answer. So if we connect it in parallel, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by r is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 6 if I'm right. Yeah. So LCM is 6. This will be 3, and this is 2, and this is 1. So 6 by 6 is 1 ohm, right? It's not exactly 1 over here, 1 by 1. So yes, we got the answer for B. Quite simple. If you're conceptually aware of it, we got the answer directly. So now the trick of 4 ohm. See, it is lesser than 6 ohm, but greater than 2 and 3. So think about it. How do we go about getting it? Either, see, one thing is I have to connect 6 ohm parallel with something. Only then it will reduce. The effect will reduce. Right? So if I connect all of them in parallel, we got the answer as 1 ohm. So that's not possible. What if we connect 6 and 2 or 6 and 3? Now, either of this. If I connect 6 and 2, I won't get 1 ohm because we already have 3 ohm. 3 plus 1 will give me 4 ohm. So that's not ideal. If I connect 6 with 3, something might turn up. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is this. So I'll erase all of this. Actually, I think the answer is that only. It has to be that. It can't be in series. It can't be totally parallel. It has to be intermediate. So only intermediate is you have parallel and series combination. Okay. One is this possibility. So I have a strong feeling for this. I want to draw a bit neater. You guys can also draw it neat if you guys want to. If not, it's okay. But yeah, if someone sees that, they need to understand what you have done. Don't draw it small, draw it big. So I feel that this will work out. See, one is we can't have 6 over here because that will result in more than 4. So I feel this has to be 3 ohm and this has to be 2 ohm. If not, I'll get this in, we'll see. So let's see this first. So 6 and 3, it will be lower than the lowest. That is, it has to be, this will result in a resistance which is lesser than 3. So that's what we want. So let's see how much. So let me name it AB and this is C. So the effective resistance of, okay, this is question number A. The effective resistance between A and B is, since they are in parallel, 1 by 6 by 1 by 3, LCM is 6. So I'll multiply and divide by 2. Again, remember, I'm doing this as a next step. I'm skipping a step. Okay, multiplying, dividing with 2. So this is 3 by 6 and we got 1 by 2. And always remember to invert it. It's not half, it is 2 ohm. So basically this length is 2 ohm and this length is 2 ohm. So 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm in series between A and C will give you, yes, 4 ohm. That's it. So RAC is equal to 4 ohm. Okay, I hope you guys were able to think on your own or at least try. If not, it's seriously bad. So last one is connecting all resistors in parallel. So we have 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. LCM again is 6. So this is 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided with 6. So this is 6 by 6, which is 1 by 1. So we have R, which is equal to 1 ohm. And that is your, that's what we want, right? I hope you understood how I figured it out. So you need to be again conceptually aware of things. Only then you will be able to figure out things faster. You will be able to, right, by trial and error, but that's not the case. You need to be smart enough to get the answer with few tries. That's what conceptual understanding means. So now pause and write it down.